So I can't believe that 5 months is gone in the year of 2025 already. I can't believe the last video I post was 5 months ago. It felt like 2 weeks ago. Guys, how you doing? So I'm here. I'm just dropping by to make a little video. Hope that you are doing well in your trading. Hope that you are consistent, not like me. Um, I'm doing fine. All is well. I've been adventuring in some additional projects. One of them is, um, I was doing a little electronics, etc. Um, One of the things that I realized customs in Trinidad is give people gray hair. Imagine you're watching people think and saying that the price you have to pay. That is not nice. Anyway, that's unfair. So guys, two things. Forex is free and accessible. And I want one thing, and my goal here is to make it really easy and simple for you, right? This thing has um been like Forex has been like this thing where for me to join, I need to pay a subscription. For me to join, I need to join under somebody so that person could get a commission. All them commission people who selling things. Really, boy? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna say two things in this video, right? I'm gonna say two things in this video. The first one, I'm going to talk about the new persons into Forex. So if you are new and you are looking for information about Forex, welcome to a great channel where I'm now going to provide you with that information. So what you want to do is you want to grab your phone. This is for the new persons, the beginner. What you want to do is grab your phone, but you can't do that. So you're looking at me. So when you finish this video, what you want to do is click the link in my description that I provided for you. That is step number one. The link, it will title broker that I use. So that broker, I've been trading with that broker for 6 years now, and I haven't had any problems with withdrawals or deposit with that for the past 5, 6 years. So we good to go. You're good to go. You get that? You click the link and you register. It's gonna ask you to verify. You must have that documents, man. Come on, simple documents. Just have it. Your documents. They'll ask you to upload your ID. You must have ID, right? Either driver's permit, passport, or so I can't remember which one that I used because that was like 6 years ago, right? I have my passport, my driver's permit, and my ID card. So I can't remember which one I use. I think I probably use my passport because I think my driver's permit, my ID card was expire and my driver's permit, which part I didn't have it at the time to register. So I think I just used my passport. Right? Anyway, you click the link and you register. When you register in the broker, it's gonna see two things. You're gonna see they will probably grant you to open it one time. You're gonna see demo and live. You're gonna see MT4 and MT5. So what you could do is whatever one you choose, either MT4 or MT5, you click it. When you click it, you make sure you have demo. Once you complete that, they're going to send you the credentials, which is a username and a password, or the password that you create for that account. Then step 2, you're going to take your phone. Well, you can't do it right now because you're looking at me. You're going to go on to the Play Store, the normal Play Store. Right? You're going to go on to the normal Play Store. Once you're on the normal Play Store, right? You're going to go on to the normal Play Store. Once you're on the normal Play Store, you're going to type in whichever one that you register with, if it's MT4 or MT5, right? If it's MT4, or MT5. So let's say MT4. MT4. Just a M and a T and a 4. You're going to see, I updated mine. You're going to see it right here. Right? So mine is scheduled for update because I had updated a long time. So you're going to open it. When you open it now, you're going to have this. Your chart is not going to look like that. You could make it beautiful like that in settings. There's so much of video on YouTube how to make my MT4 look nice on YouTube. Right? When you get this, you're going to click to the left side top, and it's going to have a little plus. It's going to have a little plus. You see the little plus on the side here? Click it. And you're going to see two things. You're going to see open a demo account. You can open it from there, which should not make sense because you're going to be trading with the broker that I provide for you. So you're going to click log in to an existing account. When you click that now, you're going to get all of these options here with a search bar. Right? With a search bar. You're going to type find broker, and what happened when you registered earlier on from the link I provided, they send you an email with some login credentials and the name of a broker. You're going to put that name of the broker in the search bar. You're going to see it suggested on one of those. Then you're going to click it, and then you're going to put the password and the user to log in. And voila! Welcome to the world of trading. That is how simple it is. That is how simple it is. Right? Demo first. Demo first. Alright? Demo first. Forget the deposit. Forget that. Yeah. Rufus in the gallery? It's in the kitchen where you leave it. Right. So, you're going to demo first. If you don't like the demo and you want to go live, here's what you're doing. If you have a credit card, don't do that. Get yourself some crypto. Remember that. Get yourself some crypto. The broker that I provided, they have cryptocurrency deposit. You get some cryptocurrency, you deposit it in the broker. When you deposit it in the broker, you're going to trade, you make your money. Now, when to withdraw it, this is the next part. So part 2. Part 2 is for the persons who want to trade now, that not want fed up a demo, and the person that's got trade and they're looking for an easy way to spend the crypto. What you're going to do, the next link is where you would get something called a cryptocurrency debit card. There's two. There is digital, meaning you can have it on your phone and you can tap to pay, who has the tap to pay feature or function in Trinidad. You can pay for things online, because just like our online card is, your online card will be digital. If you want ATM withdrawal and stuff, and you want a physical card to transfer, put it international, etc., because you're not about this digital thing, you're gonna have to pay for that. So there's a physical and there's a digital. Get yourself one, right? So for my beginners who want to go live, you get some crypto, you put it in the trading account, you have your money there, you withdraw it back to the card, you go and you spend and do whatever you want. The same thing for my people who could trade, use a crypto card where you could spend your money nice. Alright? So I do hope that this video was helpful for you. And we're gonna make some more. We're gonna make some more. Alright? We're gonna make some more. So have a blessed one. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment saying what you want for the next video, and I'll just possibly think about it if I'm a spare time and do it. Blessings.